Today I was playing with my paper punches and I created this beautiful paper earring. I would like to show you how to create this one, and if you have some paper punches you can use them and create all the paper jewelry that you like and prefer. So you need some scrap paper, you need your paper punches. I have my round circle punches and a flower punch, but if you don't have these you can create them with a glass or other things that are rounded. Okay, let's get started. Now take your paper and then with your paper punch cut 2 circles. Now with some glue you will need to glue them together. In this way. Voila. You can choose which one you prefer that will be your earring, and then the behind. So now take your glue and then create a layer. It's better because we need then to apply some nail polish. It's better before the nail polish to use some glue in order to create a layer. Okay, it's better to glue all your future earring. In this way. We will cover then after the glue will be okay. After the glue will be dried, we will cover our earring with some nail polish. I recommend the one with glitter because it's quite nice. Now leave your future earring in a place where it can be dry. Now your earring is ready to be layered with nail polish and finished with nail polish. You can apply your nail polish in a light coat or as you prefer. Both parts. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, you can put it in a place where your future earring can dry. In the meantime, we can create our flower. If you want to embellish your earring with a flower, or you can use another paper punch or another form. Now take your glue and then glue together the 2 pieces. Voilà. do the same for the earring. So we'll create one layer with the glue. Voila. Both front and back. Okay, leave it to dry. Now with your finger, create a sort of rounding a little your flower in this way, and then with the nail polish create a new layer. Voila, and leave it to dry. Okay, now we can attach our flower to our earring. You have to attach the flower opposite to this one, and you can glue it where you prefer. Voila. Now, because I like strass and thing sparkling, I will add a little strass in the middle of the flower. In this way, and to be sure that your strass will stay on top of your flower, maybe it's better to put a little coat on your flower, just a little. Okay, leave it to dry. Okay, it's all dry. Now we have to finish our earring. So punch a hole and this way, and then start to build your earring. Okay, you can use I don't remember the name in English, but you can use this. I use also paper because I like this finish touch. Paper with paper, but if you have some of these with a pearl or another things, or a strass, or as you prefer, you can put only this one, but I like my paper earring to be finished with paper. Sorry if sometimes I don't remember the English words, but I'm Italian, I live in Italy, and sometimes I'm not used to speaking English, only when I go to London. So in this moment I'm in Italy. Well, now we can glue our second part in order to finish our earring. Voila. the thing that I like most of the paper earring is that they are unique. Only you will have this kind of earring, and you can make them in many different ways. So okay, here you're finished earring, sorry. I think they are quite nice. And tomorrow I will wear them. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.